Florence Scovel Shinn was a metaphysician who lived around the early 1900s, and she wrote some books, one called Your Word is Your Wand, one called The Game of Life and How to Play It, one called, hold on a second, The Secret Door to Success, and The Power of the Spoken Word, which is actually very like Your Word is Your Wand. And what she's saying in this book is that your words are literally magic. They will manifest exactly what you ask them to manifest in the universe, be that positivity or negativity. You're going to get it. The universe doesn't decipher, doesn't discriminate. It will give you exactly what you want because it wants to. And she talks about ask and you shall receive, seek and you literally shall find. Now, 95% of our thinking, 95% of our thinking is subconscious, unconscious, and we're not aware of what it is. We get hints by what we project onto other people, how we feel in ourselves if we start to feel sick or stressed. These are all indications that we're not thinking positively. We're not attracting more positive things. If we keep having negative things happen to us, well, that's an indication we're not attracting positive things. So, what is your word? What are you speaking? How can you turn your word into positive ways? Given that 95% of it is subconscious, unconscious, and you're not aware of it. So that 5% that you're consciously thinking is your opportunity to reframe and retune everything. Now, in this post, I give you 3 tips, as it were, on how to turn things around. One is Post-its. I am great on the Post-its. And I give you a list of some positive scripts that you might want to write on Post-its, and do it this way. I truly am. I truly am blessed. I truly am grateful. I truly am calm. I truly am peaceful. I truly am safe. I truly trust. Whatever it is for you. And then you put these Post-its, one Post-it, same script, all over the place. In a specific day, a week, maybe for a month. And every time you open a cupboard or you turn on a light, you see it, you think it, you vibrate at it. And you start to put it, the more you do that, the more it goes in. That's one, Post-its. The other one is to breathe in positive scripts. So take that Post-it, take that script, place your hands on your solar plexus, and give that script, give that positive script a color, give it a feeling, let it become a positive image, and allow that vibration of all of that positivity just to fill your whole being. So breathing in the positive, putting your hands on your solar plexus, which is your power center. And even by doing that, you automatically bring your whole energy into that space. That's the second one. The third one is, how many acts of kindness, how many kind things or kind words are you going to spread in your day? Set yourself a challenge. Okay, today I'm going to do it twice. I'm going to have 2 people. And if you do it more than that, celebrate that. And if you do 2, celebrate that. Tomorrow, the next day when you're doing, I'm going to do 3 today. I'm going to find 5 people today. Acts of kindness don't have to be where you spend anything except your energy positively on others. And of course, what you're doing by that act and by that ritual is you're putting yourself into that positive, kind vibration. And what are you getting? More of the same back from the universe. It's a give and take. Florence talks about how we need to speak our word. And we need to be deliberately speaking the word of what we want, what we need. But we need to do it in a certain way. We need to celebrate as if it's happening now. And we need to truly believe that this is going to be. What is your word? What are you thinking? What are you speaking? What are you thinking about other people? What are you transferring out? What are you putting out into the universe to get more back? The law of attraction is alive and well. It's the whole thing of as you give, so you receive. So be careful. be aware, be positive, and be you. Have a great day, a great week. And if you like this post and you like what you're reading and watching, please like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on social media, wherever I am. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Insta. The links are all in this post on my website. And if you're watching this video elsewhere, well, then pop over to my website, Retuning Me, look up the post, Your Word is Your Wand, and you'll get all the relative links there. Have a fabulous day. Have a fabulous, positive, kind, and uplifting, energetic day and life.